guys, so I'm sorry about this, guys. If you're a fan, I'm going to quit Roblox. And then I'm going to go ahead and play Brick Hill. You sometimes see me online on Roblox. That means I just want to play it. So Bill just added me. He was nice enough to add me. He's offline. Bill Ghost. How much friends does he have? Oh, 2! I think so. Little bunny, what do you say about me quitting Roblox? He doesn't want me to. But I'm sorry, little one. Sorry, but I have to. My little bunny is great and it's cute. Rap. Oh, I feel bad for you guys. No! No! Bunny is sad. I see it crying right now. Oh. Okay, little bunny. I'm sorry, but time to quit Roblox. I'm not playing it anymore. But if you guys see me online, that means I'm playing right now. That means I want to. Peace.